Right, here we are, and we are going nature hunting for a very cool creature.
It's a wild Josh.
We are wild Josh.
We are.
They are very shy and prone to acts of violence, so we need to be very careful where we tread, so we do not frighten it. Wait, what's that? Now we know.
Oh my gosh, it's close. It's close.
Because of its clothing. Third leg
Ben, don't get too close.
Jordan. A Jordan
It's throwing
t-shirt
sticks at us.
and a Jordan hat.
Ben, it's throwing sticks at us.
It's coming straight at us. So, shh, mind the camera. Oh, shit. It's coming at us.
I'm getting close.
Okay, there it is. Here we see the wild Josh. It's very prone to violence.
Oh my gosh.
It's similar.
Oh my gosh.
And it is similar to that of a monkey, only more gorilla-ish. Fuck you!
Ah! Ah! It's a wild Josh! Ah, it's coming! Ah! I didn't sign up for this!
And it's extremely stupid.
Ah!